Luxury isn't measured by square meters. It's measured by the moments you will never forget. Hi, I'm Abhishek Deesawala from Acton Belle Property Mandurah and welcome to 110 Marillana Drive, Golden Bay. Perfectly positioned just moments from the pristine shoreline, this remarkable coastal residence captures the very essence of sophisticated beachside living, combining timeless design with everyday comfort. The heart of the home is a beautifully appointed kitchen that flows seamlessly into the open plan living and dining spaces, where natural light fills every room and every detail has been carefully considered. Then comes the moment that truly sets this home apart. Breathe in the fresh sea air and witness one of Western Australia's most spectacular natural displays as the sun slowly sets, painting the horizon is breathtaking shades of gold, amber and crimson. This is more than a home. It's a private sanctuary where luxury meets the coastline. Selling property with the personality. Only Abhishek Deesawala. Call me today.